Welcome to our channel where we tackle tech challenges head-on and make complicated fixes simple and easy. Welcome to our channel where we tackle tech challenges head-on and make complicated fixes simple and easy. Today, we will walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide to fixing upgrade card usage errors. These errors can often cause frustration, but with the right approach, you can resolve them swiftly and efficiently. First, start by checking your card's activation status. Sometimes the card is not properly activated, which prevents it from functioning during the upgrade process. To verify this, contact your card issuer or check online through their official platform. Second, examine if your account balance or available credit is sufficient to cover the upgrade cost. Insufficient funds or credit limits can trigger usage errors. Third, ensure that your software or system recognizing the upgrade card is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause incompatibility and subsequently errors in card processing. Fourth, clear any cached data or temporary files related to the upgrade system. Cached data might conflict with the new loading requests, causing errors. Fifth, try reinserting or reconnecting the upgrade card. A poor connection or improperly plugged card can lead to usage errors. Sixth, check for any regional or account-specific restrictions that might prevent the upgrade card from working. Some cards have limitations based on geographic location or account settings. Seventh, if applicable, review any error messages carefully for codes or instructions. These often provide clues toward the specific cause of the issue. Eighth, if after all these steps the error persists, consider reaching out to customer support for both the card provider and the product or service you are upgrading. They can offer direct assistance and advanced troubleshooting. Remember, systematically following each step will help you identify the root cause and fix the upgrade card usage error effectively. We hope this step-by-step guide makes your upgrade experience smoother and hassle-free. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tech solutions.